You must be Miss Mary, Miss McKenna.
Thanks. This is so quick.
Go ahead and have a seat. So, I have to go over confidentiality. Confidentiality is where anything you say in this room, to me, is not going to be told to anybody else, not the court system, judge, or parents, unless I think you are a danger to yourself or to others. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Yeah. So, why don't you tell me how school's going?
School. Hopefully 7 hours wasted of my life, but it's cool.
Do you have any fun classes?
I mean, like, I have, like, 2 okay-ish classes, like, in math. Like, normally our teacher brings in pie on Pi Day. Then in gym, our, like, teacher doesn't really give us any assignments. He just tells us to go play or go do something. I mostly go sit in the bleachers and listen to music.
Do you have any friends to hang out with?
Like, I have like a few, but not many.
Are you close to them, or are they just school friends?
Just some are school friends and some are just outside friends.
Do you invite any of them home?
No, not really. It's mainly because of my mom. She mostly starts acting like a cop, like on detective shows and stuff. I ask them a bunch of questions like, when's the last time they drank this? When's the last time they smoked this? When's the last time they were anywhere? When's the last time they spoke to their mom? Yes.
So that doesn't sound like that's a good. What's it like at home?
I mean, mostly get into arguments with my mom. Not my dad really doesn't really interact with me that much. He just sits there and listens to mom. Mostly argue with me about really dumb stuff.
What kind of stuff y'all argue about?
Like one of like 7 times I didn't want to do the chores, and like I basically told her like I didn't necessarily have to do my chores. Like I'm a child. She's supposed to be taking care of me. She's supposed to be taking care of the house.
I mean, maybe she's trying to prepare you for when you live by yourself.
Like I don't have to like wash dishes and do laundry and everything. I don't really don't do it.
Just rather stay in your room.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stay in my room half the time. Only time I like come out of my room is when I'm like called for dinner. That's it.
How are family meals? What are they like?
I mean, most times it depends on who cooks. Like my mom, she cooks only Mondays and Tuesdays. My dad cooks Wednesdays through Sundays. But then like that way, like when my mom cooks, she mostly makes Italian food, like lasagna. When like my dad cooks, he mostly cooks mashed potatoes, peas, and boneless squid ribs, I think.
What kind of stuff do you do for fun?
Mostly like hang out with some of my friends and some of my coworkers. We go walk around the neighborhood or just normally um, back in the woods and go climb trees and eat hot brownies.
So tell me about work.
Like work's okay. Like I'm like when I'm working, it's like really boring. So I mostly have to like take customers' order, tell them what they can have, what they can't have. And they mostly try to give me some coupon that's been like expired for like 3 years now. So sounds like really boring.
And tell me about your coworkers.
Most of them are okay, but mostly hang out with just one.
What's he like?
He's okay. Mostly, like most time he asks me, like after work, if we can go by the train tracks and smoke some weed. I'm like, okay.
Do you smoke a lot of weed?
For like 12 or 20 times a week. It's not 20, it's mostly 6 times a week. I'm mostly eating hot brownies with that.
Okay. So tell me about how you managed to get into the court system.
Uh, my mom, she called me smoking weed outside our window. And we really didn't like it. She said she didn't like the smell of weed. I really don't understand because weed smells good. I can't have it.
So I heard you were supposed to go to a diversion program. It was court mandated. How did it go?
I really didn't go. Like when my parents were dropping me off, I kind of like waited a few minutes and I started to text one of my coworker friends named Travis and told him to come pick me up and he was like, sure. And he brought me pot brownies and we started to just go into the woods and just eat them and just talk.
I mean, how come you don't go to the diversion program? Is it, do you not get along with the instructor or?
I mean, like, it's really not my cup of tea. I mostly don't go because I've like heard rumors that they normally just make us watch videos, make us do these drills, make us do like exercises and stuff, which I really don't understand. I can like go and come to like work out. I can do that on my own time.
Tell me about your school life. You know, what's your favorite subject? What do you like to do?
Mm. I like two subjects only, like math and gym. Like in math, it's like just one day, and it's normally pie day. And it's when our teacher brings in different kinds of pie, like apple pie, blueberry pie, raspberry, and apple Dutch pie. You just eat it.
Honestly, sounds pretty cool. I know my teacher never did anything like that. Do you have any science classes? Do you get to do any science experiments?
You know, like we have just science. We don't really do any experiments. We just look at the book and just read it, talk about it, and she like our teacher just writes some notes on the board, and we mostly take notes. So that's my it.
So it sounds like at home you spend most of your time in your room. What do you just sit and play on your phone or?
Yeah, I mostly just sit on my phone and just watch TV sometimes. But I couldn't watch TV one time because my mom took TV away from me because I think I got a F in English, you know, she took it away until I got my grade back up. So she didn't take my phone away, so I just started playing Mario Kart on my phone.
Sounds like you and your mother don't have the best of relationships.
Nah, not really.
Do you guys argue a lot?
I mean, like when I'm in my room, she doesn't come in there, but when as soon as I get out, she starts arguing like just nonsense about doing chores. Ask me why I'm not inviting my friends over. Ask me why my grade's not going up.
How come you don't invite your friends over?
It's mostly in. She starts acting like a cop when they start to come over because she thinks they're like a bad influence on me. Or she starts like asking random questions like where have they been the last 3 hours? What's like the last thing they drank? Um, like when's the last time they called them mother?
Sounds like your mom mom's just trying to look out for you.
Seems like in a weird way.
It seems like that for a lot of kids. So it looks like we're coming up on time. Is there any questions you want to ask?
No.
So I'll see you here next week.
Okay.